pulley. This is the tensioner going around the tensioner. This is power steering pump here, again going inside. This is the diagram for the belt. I'll leave it as it is. However, I'm going to remove other bits. It's inside the engine. I'll show you with the new one. Three nut. We'll see how it's going on there. If it's spinning, that one, I'll show you another easy method to remove that pulley. Then after that is coming top of the water pump, top of the fan. Came to the mobile job. This is for transit. What happened? You can see in the bottom crank pulley came out. This is common problem for the Ford Transit and stuck between fan and the engine. However, I am going to remove the crank pulley and install new belt and new pulley. Stay with me, take a good idea. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get our lot of useful video and tips like this. Let's go to the job. First, I'm going to remove this cover. Yeah, I'll remove the all three bolts. Now we can see the belt here. Before I go ahead, I am going to make a diagram of the belt. Then when I going to install, it's very easy for me. This is the belt diagram. It's started from here, alternator. This is the alternator. After that there is another idler, water pump, idler. This is the main fan. Then after that main pulley. This is the tensioner going around the tensioner. This is power steering pump here, again going inside. This is the diagram for the belt. I'll leave it as it is for my future reference. Next step, underneath the stuck main pulley, we need to remove that underneath stuck main pulley first. Need to pull clockwise, then after that you can see the belt release. Then we can release the belt. Once you release the belt, you can remove this one. I'll show you. You need 1/2 inch socket head. This is the one going inside the tensioner. Then after that, I'm using my ratchet and turn clockwise. Then you can release the tensioner. Manage to remove the main pulley because there is a rubber dumper coming inside. That's why it's broken here, and all belt also ripped. However, I'm going to remove other bits. It's inside the engine. I'll show you with the new one. It's come with the new bolt and cover. It's way my working. It's out. You can see one nut hole here, another one there, and another one here, all 10 mil. Next step, I'm going to remove the fan, otherwise I can't reach to the main pulley bolts. Remove this 3 bolt holding the fan, but inside there is a 24 or 27 something the nut there, but I'm not going to remove there. I'm going to remove this 3 bolt holding fan. I can't put ratchet there. I'm going to use my spanner for the other nut. Right, all 3 bolts out. Now you can see the fan hanging. This one normally tight. We'll see how it's going on. Yeah, it's a bit hassle because of the cover. I'm going to remove this fan cover. When you remove the fan, remove the fan and the cowling, leave it out of the way. Now we have a much space to work around this area. It's holding 15 mil 3 nut. We'll see how it's going on there. If it's spinning, that one, I'll show you another easy method to remove that pulley. This wrapping belt system not work because it's slipping. What I did, I take my colleague hand, I'll put it 1 ratchet for the anti-clockwise and 1 ratchet for the clockwise, then go 1 and after that move here, go 1 by 1. Finally we managed to take with the double hand work. However, it's out now. It was a bit hard time for us, and I'm going to compare the new one and the old one pulley size. This is the rubber dump and the magnetic ring. This is the one broken from the old one, and the outer line I'm going to check. Yeah, exactly correct size, and the rib 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 all correct. Then this new one come with the bolt. I'm going to compare new one and old one, exactly correct size. Then I'm going to install new one. Right, nice and tight. Now we can install rest of thing. You need to take a clockwise and put the pin underneath here. The lock, then it's fine now. Then after that I can install belt. Now my diagram useful for the install the belt. I'm going to install this side. Make sure 7PK 2968. This one 7PK 2967. Doesn't matter. 1 mil, not much difference. I'm going to leave the letter. Someone can read like this. Thing as it is, and I'm going to install fan. It's holding it 3. This is 15mm 3 bolt. I'm going to tie the 3 15mm bolt for the fan. Right, all nice and tight. Now I'm going to install the belt, alternator, this idler pulley, this side water pump, and there is another idler. Then after that is coming top of the water pump, top of the fan. Then after that I need to go underneath and do the underneath side. You can see belt in. Before I want to make sure this skinny pipe going through this connectors and here. Right, after that I need to install this cover here. Before that I'm going to start the car and make sure everything working perfectly. You can see all working fine. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Very easy, but sometimes you need a 2 person. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, you know what to do. Mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video.